You are not lazy, you are not broken. You've just been surviving for so long that you have forgotten what living feels like. You wake up anxious, scroll before you even breathe, skip breakfast, avoid sunlight, stay up too late, then wonder, why am I always tired? Why is my body so heavy? The truth, bad habits build slowly until they destroy you quietly. But the good news is, you are only 6 simple habits away from a healthier body, a clearer mind, and a life that finally feels like yours again. Stick with me till the end because habit number 6 is the silent killer most people ignore and is the reason healing feels so hard. Before you touch your phone, before the noise, the messages, the pressure, there's a moment that can set the tone for your entire day or let the world steal it from you. That moment belongs to God. When you start your day in prayer, scripture, gratitude, or quiet reflection, you are doing more than checking a spiritual box. You are literally grounding your mind, calming your nervous system, and reminding your soul, I am not alone. Science confirms that people who pray or meditate in the morning have lower cortisol, which is the stress hormone, increased focus and emotional resilience, better decision making throughout the day. The early hours are sacred, and what you do with them determines who you become. 5 minutes with God can do more for your peace than 5 hours of scrolling ever will. Here's a challenge: don't start with Instagram, start with intimacy with your Creator. You wake up in a desert. That's how your body feels after 7 to 8 hours without water. And yet, most people wake up and reach for coffee or their phone, not water. Drinking a glass of warm water first thing is one of the fastest ways to rehydrate every organ, jumpstart your metabolism, flush out toxins your body worked all night to process, and reduce morning bloating. Did you know a 2013 study in Frontiers in Nutrition found that drinking water on an empty stomach can increase calorie burning by 24% within an hour? Here's the bonus. Add a squeeze of lemon to boost vitamin C, balance pH levels, and stimulate gentle liver detox. Make it a ritual. Place a glass of water next to your bed at night so it's the first thing you reach for in the morning. It's simple, powerful, and your body will thank you immediately. Your body is a system, and systems don't activate without motion. Just 10 minutes of movement in the morning, walking, stretching, dancing, anything tells your brain, I am alive. Let's start healing. Here's what happens when you move. Your lymphatic system, your detox highway, gets activated. You burn stored sugar and start using fat for fuel. Blood starts flowing to the brain, boosting clarity and focus. Endorphins are released, your natural mood boosters. A study from Harvard Health shows that even 5 to 10 minutes of light exercise in the morning improves insulin sensitivity and reduces inflammation, two key markers for chronic disease. You don't need a gym, you just need to move, even if it's walking barefoot in your room while worship music plays. Motion is medicine. Stillness is sickness. Get your blood moving and your joy will follow. Most of us live under artificial light, but our bodies were created to rise with the sun. Morning sunlight isn't just beautiful, it's biological. It tells your brain it's time to wake up, balance the hormones, heal the system. Here's what 10 to 20 minutes of early sunlight does: trigger serotonin, your happy hormone, regulate melatonin, that's your sleep hormone, boost vitamin D, crucial for immunity, bones, and metabolism. It reduces depression, brain fog, and emotional burnout. In fact, studies show that morning sunlight exposure improves sleep by 80%, increases mood stability, and reduces inflammation markers. You don't need supplements if you will step into God's natural prescription. Before you check notifications, check in with the sky. Let the sun reset your soul. Skipping breakfast is the fastest way to slow down your healing. When you wake up, your blood sugar is low, your organs need fuel, and your brain needs nourishment. But most people give it caffeine and sugar or nothing at all. The result, mood swings, cravings, belly fat storage, hormonal imbalance. But a real breakfast, high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, stabilizes your blood sugar, supports digestion, and jumpstarts your metabolism for the day. Examples of this: oatmeal with chia seeds and berries, boiled eggs, and avocado on whole grain toast, papaya and soaked walnuts, of course, with herbal tea. Studies show people who eat a quality breakfast reduce their risk of obesity and insulin resistance by over 30%. Food is not just calories, it's information. Feed your body healing instructions. Your body doesn't heal during the day, it heals while you sleep, but only if you give it the time it needs. And that time begins before midnight. Every hour of sleep before 12 a.m. is like double healing. It's when your body repairs tissues, balances hormones, cleanses the liver, regulates hunger and fat burning. According to the Sleep Foundation, people who sleep before 11 p.m. report better weight loss, fewer cravings, lower blood pressure, less depression. Staying up late with screens and noise keeps your cortisol high and your fat, stress, and sickness stay stuck. Don't just get sleep, get restorative sleep. Healing begins with the moment you surrender the day. You don't need a detox, you need a reset. These 6 habits aren't trends, they are how your body was designed to function. Start your day with God. Drink life into your system. Move with joy, get your sunlight. Fuel with purpose and end the day in rest. You were never meant to survive, you were made to thrive. Comment below which habit are you starting today. And don't forget to subscribe to Green Health channel because every week we are dropping real videos, quality videos to help you heal your body naturally. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to take care of yourself because Green Health cares.